Hey, it's me, Subban. You're going to find some amazing deals on a huge selection of SUVs here at the Lynchburg SUV and Truck Super Center.
Hey, little buddy, you need to get on out of here because it's time to shoot the commercial.
I think it went that way.
Well, alrighty then.
Yeah, so we also sell trucks with amazing prices too. But more importantly, you're going to save a whole lot of money on SUVs.
Were you trying to shoot the commercial without the old truckinator?
No.
Really? Hey, you people sitting there watching TV. It's good that my little friend here wasn't shooting the commercial without me. Otherwise, I might have had to squish him like a bug on the sidewalk.
All right, I get it.